bowl of sugar. Mix it until sugar dissolves completely. When sugar dissolves, add the Desi ghee, butter in it. Cook the sugar syrup until it begins thick. While soak the semolina Sooji in milk or water. When it became thick, now add soaked semolina Sooji in it. Mix it well so no lumps create in it. Bonify it until the water dries completely and oil separated. While bonify, mix it well so no lumps created, and it can't stack with hot. When it bonify completely, add dry fruits of your choice. Enjoy it in rainy weather and enjoy your winter with our delicious recipes.